guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for hitting that watch button. I truly appreciate you. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you even more for tuning in and liking and subscribing and all of that good stuff. And before I get started, all you new people, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications button so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I'm sure by the title of this video, you already know what it is. I'm trying out temporary hair wax. It's been all over YouTube, Instagram, so I figured I'd try it out myself. I've always wanted some color in my hair, but I am too scared to do bleaching. I've done bleaching when my hair was relaxed and it was a disaster. So this is a great alternative for coloring my hair. Right now my hair is actually due for a wash. It's not really that bad, but I didn't want to wash my hair, put the curl wax on it, and then have to wash it again, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna apply the wax on top of my week-old. I had my hair in a low puff, so it's not that dirty, but it's very moisturized. So I'm just gonna apply the wax on top of that. But to make the application a little better, I'm just gonna separate my hair in sections and work that way. The first thing that I'm going to do though is saturate my hair. So I'm taking my DIY aloe spray, and if you haven't checked that out already on my channel, I have a video on how I create this spray. I'll link the description somewhere in the top and as well as the description below. So now that my hair it's not dripping wet, but it is saturated, I'm gonna take some cream can tube leave-in. My hair is moisturized, but I just want a little bit of it like that. Just kind of rake that, coat my strands a little bit. And shine custard, I'm gonna use some of this to put on top. And the custard is kind of a tacky kind of feel. So I'm gonna put some of that on top as well. It might seem like I'm putting a lot on my hair, guys, but I'm not. It's really not. Just a thin layer of something so my curls can pop. My wash and go is not complete with a little bit of eco style in here. Boop. That's my holy grail gel, guys. Like, that is my holy grail gel. The wax actually is almost like a styler a little bit, but I'm just not sure how this stuff is going to react to my hair. So that's why I'm kind of put maybe a generous amount of styler on my hair. So this, and also a note, the transfer situation. This color I hear can definitely transfer. So I put on a t-shirt that I really don't care about or I don't mind. But yeah, so today I am going to be using the red color. It says red, but on the box, but it looks more pink to me. I guess it depends on how dark your hair is or how light your hair is, depending on what it actually is going to end up looking like. So this is the Mofajang temporary hair coloring material. It's from an Asian country because you know, the language on there is definitely something that I cannot translate to, but there is a number of English on here. It talks about, you know, it's a temporary color, it washes out, it's natural, water soluble wax, and it gives all the ingredients. I'll put the ingredients down below. I don't want to bore you with that, but nonetheless, this is the color I'm going with. I'm going to start out with sections of this stuff. And everyone talks about the smell. To me, it smells like wax with a hint of like a men's deodorant. So I'm taking a small amount. I'll take a small amount and build up if I need to. So I'm taking that much. I guess I'm just rubbing it on my hand. It looks so weird. And I'm just gonna Yeah. And this is what it's looking like. I only put a little bit, so just to see how it would look. All right, I need some more, so I'm going in for more. All right, here goes. And I'm using the raking and palm method to get that color, get a generous amount of color in my hair. So yeah, it looks very pink to me. All right, guys, I'm gonna take this other part down. If I had to describe how it feels like any other like creamy product. It's not sticky or anything, but yeah. So this is what it looks like. This is what the definition looks like on my hair. So I'm gonna continue to apply it all the way through. And then it will how much, rubbing this stuff on and trying to focus it on the ends more so. That's where I want the color kind of to appear more of an ombre. Because you know, sometimes it goes up a little further than I wanted it to in the back, but it's all good. But I'll continue with that same idea, focusing it on the ends using the palm method. So I'm putting a little bit of hair over to the side because that's how I want to wear it, like a side part a little bit. And put a little bit more emphasis on the color where the side and same thing over here. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. This is the color. Like I said, it looks more pink than red. I don't know what it's gonna look like when it's dry, but I like it. Not mad. I like it. I just hope, you know, with the application and the layering of the products that it doesn't have a bad effect on my hair. So, and this is how much I use. At first I thought this little bit of container was not gonna be enough for my hair because my hair is very heavy, but to my surprise, I have enough for probably like 1.5 application, like for instance, if I want to do a whole head again, and then maybe do like the ends somewhere where I would just want to spot some color, so I have a generous amount. Also, I'm gonna leave the link down below where I purchased this. This was not sent to me, guys. This is not an ad. This is something that I wanted to try for myself. I purchased this on Amazon. I'll be sure to put the link down in the description below. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this stuff transfers on everything. So I'm gonna try to speed up the drying process by using my diffuser a little bit, and also to prevent the shrinkage. My hair's gonna shrink naturally, but sometimes I use a diffuser if I want to elongate my hair, so I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the next day, right? So my hair was a little damp. I did do the, what do you call it? Oh God, I can't even think. did use the dryer to dry some of my hair. So this is what it is looking like. I put it up in a pineapple, and I had some in the back to elongate my hair. I didn't want my hair to string all the way. So this is what the color is looking like. I am wearing black on purpose today, guys, because just in case I have any fallout, you know, it can at least be concealed a little bit. Alright, so my hair is pretty much dry. Might be damp. Using my hands, not getting any transfer. Oh yeah, my hair is still a little damp, but not too much. But yeah, this is the color payoff, guys. What do you think? Does it look more red or pink? I don't know. I think it's a cross in between. So I'm taking this part down. Ooh. I see some color around my edges. I don't know what's that's from. But So this is first day, and normally I get maximum volume, probably like second day hair. Well, this is second day. Yesterday was first day. So you guys, this is what it is looking like. I like it. This is what my texture looks like. It's cute. Ooh, I think I'm gonna try another color. Blue might be a little too much, so I might try purple, but yeah, this is what it is. My hair is still kind of damp, but not too much, because my hair just holds a lot of water. Yeah, guys, I like. What do you think?